Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video I am going to be preparing Edikaikong, otherwise known as Eforiro Elemi Meje. So this is not the Efo the traditional way. First I'm boiling my beef, next I'm pounding. By the way, I'm boiling tomato on the other side, and that's what you're looking at. So this is my oporoko that has been washed and boiled too. It's been seasoned and it's been boiled. So I took part of the stock, the meat stock, to boil the oporoko. That is it there. And by the way, I'm famished, so I took some gari by the side. Next, let's see what's cooking. This is it. You can see everything is dancing, everything is doing okay inside the stew. So you stir and enjoy the aroma, and later on you ensure the stew is well fried. So when it is well fried and you can see that it's actually well fried, there's less water in it, you can then add your green leaves. First leaf that I usually add is my water leaf, because it contains water in it, and I want the water to go inside the stew first and get dried before I add my ugu. So that's adding the water leaf. Look at what it looks like. You cover it so that it can soften a little, because if you say you should be stirring right away, it will take time before it softens. So it's better you just cover for a while, then open it. Before you know it, all the green vegetables will go into the stew. So do you like the sight already? Food. I'm in love with what I'm seeing already. So you also cover and allow everything to simmer. So after a few minutes, you open, and then you add the next green leaf, which is the ugu leaf. So let's add our ugu leaf at this point in time. I've already washed these green leaves, So I'm adding my ugu next because ugu contains less water, remember. So instead of stirring straight away, you can just cover for some time and then you open and stir again. So look what we have. Oh my god. So the images include your iru, your pomo, me, my beef, okporoko. So I'm testing to find out if I need to add more salt. And at some point I added a little more salt. And finally, don't let us forget to add our final condiments, and that is the snail. So the snail, after boiling the snail, I actually fried the snail because they are so tiny and they can easily disappear into the ocean of this Edikaikong. So here's the fried snails, or here are the fried snails. You had them last. If you have very large snails, I will still suggest you add them last anyways. So this is optional. You can decide to add whatever you have. So this is me adding the fried snail last, and then you stir everything together to ensure that all the seasonings go in to the snail as well. And remember, this is vegetable, so you don't want to keep it on the fire for a long time so that all the nutrients don't get denatured. So you stir well and then you cover, allow everything to simmer for a few more minutes, say for 5 minutes. You might have tasted to see if you need to add more seasoning or more salt. So look what my Edikaikong looks like, the traditional Yoruba Edikaikong, because it contains Iru. Igbo people will not use Iru. The Middle Belt people will not use Iru. But this is Edikaikong with some, sort of Yoruba in it. So if you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe to my channel. This is what I had for lunch. Edikaikong with fufu akpu. And I can tell you, after eating this food, I just went straight to La La Land. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.